Hey y'all, I took the top off of my Bronco and I'm getting ready to install my Spiderweb sunshade. This is what the Spiderweb sunshade looks like. It comes with the spider ball cords already attached into their grommets, and then they have these pieces right here, and it comes with 6 Bronco nubs that are gonna attach to spots that are already there on the Bronco. The next step is to find out where on top the Bronco nubs go. And it says on the roll cage right here in the back. So we're gonna have one right here. It came with 6, but it only shows 4 in the video. So probably one right here on this side, one right there on that side, one over there, and then one on that side. I don't think there's any in the front. So the first one is gonna go right here, and it says to hand tighten only. Okay, and then the second one is gonna go in the back right here. There we go. Here's a view from the top to show you where they're at on each side in the back. And then in the second row, it's the first one. All right, we're attaching to the first nub right here, just like that. This is gonna be the hardest part, trying to stretch this last part over this last nub right here. Holy crap, that was so hard. So this one right there, this is the last nub on this side. We're gonna stretch and get that. Come on, got it. Take these and wrap it around the roll bars and come back and loop it. You can see here it's around the roll bar, and we came in through the top right there. All right, here, grab that. And that's it. Wasn't too hard to put together. The only hard part was attaching that piece, like stretching it. Let me show y'all how we have them attached on top. So right here you can see this one is looped in through those front 2 pieces on the front of the car. The next ones are right there, and the same on the other side. And then right here on this side, it connects into this hole. And there, and then the back. Here's what it looks like from the inside. So you ask why I take the top off and then add the sunshade. It's because I'm allergic to the sun. So I can't have direct sunlight on me, but I still wanted it not to have a top, but a little bit of extra protection right here. I told my husband his Bronco was next. I'm taking his top off and I'm gonna install one underneath it, and you can just put your top back on, either a hard top or your soft top. So no need to remove this. Just leave it there and put it under your top, and you're ready to go. All right, see y'all later.